Congratulations, you got your private pilot license. So what? That doesn't mean you're gonna be a safe pilot. Well, most likely it does. But usually you're gonna forget a lot of things from your training. Like, I don't remember. I can't even think of something I don't remember. That's how much I forget. I'm just kidding. You're most likely going to forget one or two things from your training, and that's okay. I mean, that's why there's these videos, so you can stay refreshed with everything. But flying as a new pilot is an exciting and rewarding experience. But safety should always be your top priority. In this guide, we're going to go over some essential tips to help you fly confidently and safely as you continue your journey in aviation. All right, number 1, know your aircraft. Usually, when you first get your license, you're probably going to be flying the plane that you took your check ride in. Maybe not the same tail number, but you're going to fly the same model. For me, it was the Cessna 172. Understanding your airplane inside and out is very crucial. Spend time reviewing the POH and become familiar with the aircraft system limitations and emergency procedures. Knowledge is power, and knowing your aircraft will help you make better decisions in the cockpit. Trust me, when I flew the Diamond last, I literally had the POH up with a power table, and I was just testing out power settings just for fun and get used to the airplane. Mind you, I don't even have 10 hours in that plane yet. All right, tip number 2, prioritize pre-flight planning. When you're planning a flight, you're probably gonna spend a good half an hour just planning it. Good flights start with preparation. Always review your flight plan, weather conditions, NOTAMs, and weight and balance calculations before heading to the airport. Or do it at the airport before your flight. I don't know. I don't care. I kind of do care because I don't want you guys to get hurt. Pre-flight planning helps you anticipate potential issues and stay ahead during the flight. Usually, once you get used to flying and you get to around maybe 120 hours, you're gonna start realizing some things. You're gonna start reading the POH more, doing weight and balance more. Like literally, just if I fly with more than 2 people, I will do a weight and balance calculation for the flight. That's just how I am. All right, tip number 3, practice situational awareness. Now, my sister struggles with this a lot because she's not that much of a situational awareness person. But situational awareness means fully aware of your surroundings, including airspace, weather, traffic, and your aircraft's condition. You don't want to fly an airworthy aircraft. You don't want to fly in the Bravo without a clearance. You don't want to fly through clouds, especially if you're not instrument rated. And that's really all the examples I can think of. But keep a mental picture of where you are, where you're going, and what's happening around you. This habit will help you stay ahead of any surprises. That's why sentries are so important to have. All right, stay ahead of the airplane. This is a big instrument thing because you don't want to fall behind when you're in IFR. As a pilot, you should always be one step ahead. Plan your next move. It's like playing chess. You know, you gotta put the queen over here and you gotta put the rook over here. Whether it's a frequency change, navigational update, or a maneuver, staying ahead of the aircraft reduces stress and ensures smoother, safer flights. Hence why you want to do clearing turns on your check ride just about every single maneuver. Communicate clearly and effectively. Now, I know a lot of you student pilots, because trust me, I was the same way. You guys are scared of talking to tower. That's just everyone. Like, I'll give myself like a good just like 30 seconds just sitting there before I key up the microphone. I still do it, and I have 117.2 hours. Clear communication with ATC and other pilots is essential for safe operations. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because I'll include the clip right here.
You are absolutely kidding me with that taxi speed, right? That deserves an answer.
Cool. Use standard phraseology, listen carefully, and don't hesitate to ask for clarification. I swear, that clip is just so funny. Like, it's hilarious. If you don't understand instruction, effective communication builds confidence and keeps everyone safe.
Airplane Delta Sierra, do you have me in sight? If you just left LaBelle, I'm flying in the sun here. I can't see too much.
We got you inside, no factor, 5 Delta Sierra.
Yeah. Copy that, thank you.
Keep calm during emergencies. Now, you guys simulate emergencies a lot when you're in flight training. They don't really happen in real life, but emergencies can happen, and staying calm is the key to handling them effectively. Follow your training, refer to your emergency checklist, and prioritize aviate, navigate, communicate. Keeping a level head can make all the difference. That's why we learn ABCDE. Yeah, airspeed, best place to land, checklist, declare an emergency, and execute a ditching. And the last tip is called continuing learning. Becoming a pilot is a lifelong learning process. Every flight is going to be different no matter what. Like, every day is a new day. Take every flight as an opportunity to improve your skills, attend safety seminars, read aviation publications, and seek feedback from instructors and experienced pilots. And also join FAA wings. because supposedly it can save you if you make a mistake. But by following these tips, you'll build good habits that will serve you throughout your flight training career, or just your flying career in general. Stay safe, keep learning, and enjoy the incredible experiences of flight. Fly smart, and this is Captain Ethan. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in another video.